Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. The Galaxy S20 Plus packs a lot of awesome specs, so that means you can actually make use of it to play some awesome video games on this phone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the best games that you can play on your new Galaxy S20. The first game that I have on my list is Call of Duty Mobile. By now I'm pretty sure that most of you guys are into Call of Duty. This is a cool action-packed shooting game, so definitely go ahead and check out my other videos on Call of Duty Mobile if you are interested. But here's a little bit of gameplay from the S20 Plus.
Reloading. Access point alive is coming. Access point alive is coming. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
The next game that I have on my list is Real Cricket 20. This is the updated version of Real Cricket 19 that I've already made a video about. So this is a cricket game for all of you cricket fans out there. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it on the S20.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. And he helps himself to a six. And misses. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Carried his form from the last match. That's a very good shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Straight up in the air, and that's a...
The next game that I have for you is a racing game, and it's called Rebel Racing. It has some good graphics and nice cars, so I'm sure you're gonna love this. The next game on the list is for all the Marvel superhero fans out there, and it's called Spiderman Ultimate Power. The graphics aren't the best, but the gameplay overall is quite addictive, so definitely give it a shot. The next game that I have for you is called Virtua Tennis. So if you are into tennis, you're gonna love this. The last game on my list is called Real Boxing, and it's for all the boxing fans out there. There's a bunch of stuff that you can try. Definitely check it out.
Lead hit. Nice hit. Right hand gets through. Right on the chin.
Well guys, those are some awesome games for you to enjoy on your Galaxy S20. You can find the links to download all of these games down below in the description. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this one. And definitely go ahead and check out my Galaxy S20 coverage over at youtube.com/Andro Dollar. And stay tuned for my full review of the S20 Plus coming very soon. Follow me on social media, I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. If you have any other game suggestion for the S20, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.